This is Michael. Michael is a manager at a food manufacturer. To run his department, he makes hundreds of decisions every week while striving to meet his company's targets. But how does he know he's making the best decisions? For that, he needs information. His company uses various software programs which house data about customers, products, finances, and projects. But painstakingly searching through it all takes too much time. Michael hires data4success. Using the latest business intelligence technologies from Microsoft, data4success builds automated models which extract, structure, and connect data. For every inquiry, Michael and his colleagues receive real-time, interactive reports, charts, and tables. Centralized calculation means figures are comparable and successes are measurable. Michael shows up to meetings with confidence, knowing he's making informed decisions in less time. Maximum success, minimum time investment. Data4success, founded to make you more successful through data.